Ethereum's fatal flaw. It's big, and it could even bring the entire cryptocurrency market down to its knees. It could be the catalyst that brings the next bear market about. It'll be the great deleveraging event, maybe even on par with what Terra Luna did. What are we talking about? We're talking about Ethereum staking. You see, Ethereum staking of itself, fine, normal. You lock up your 32 ETH. Bob's your uncle, Fanny is your aunt. You wait, you sit, you collect your rewards. The problem is we couldn't stop there. The problem is we have all these derivative products now. We have Lido Finance and Rocket Pool and lots of others. And I use some of these to be fair, okay? I got a giant Ethereum bag and I'm going to sell it when it gets to 10K or above. To be clear, I hold Ethereum. I'm not trying to FUD my own bags, but I'm talking about something that I'm very aware of as a potential catalyst for a major deleveraging event in the market, which will probably lead to a giant sell-off when it starts unfolding. I hope I'm wrong. You can let me know down in the comment section, of course, what you think. But we have all these liquid staked products. So you take your Ethereum, you put it into Lido Finance, they issue you Steth, which is staked Ethereum, a derivative token that earns you yield. We're not going too crazy yet. Starts getting crazy because now you can take that staked Ethereum, put it all over DeFi. All kinds of decentralized finance protocols will happily welcome your staked Ethereum. Now, it's not always trading on par with Ethereum. You should know this. It can depeg. It has depegged in the past. And when we have a problem here is that the exit queue, if you wanted to unstake your Ethereum validators, it will take 2 years for all the ETH to get out. When that happens, when the price gets high enough, people want to start exiting their bags. People want to start taking profits. But guess what? You can't get out fast enough. So what are you going to do? You're going to sell your staked Ethereum. You're going to sell your Rocket Pool Ethereum, whatever other staked Ethereum or Coinbase Ethereum, so on and so forth. That's going to lead to these depegging from the price of Ethereum. They don't trade at 1 for 1. They'll trade at 0.9 to 1. Then you have all these people who have very highly leveraged loans, which will start liquidating, which will drive the price of these staked assets even lower, potentially. And then we run into restaking. Now, restaking is a giant rehypothecation scheme, essentially, that is working on Ethereum right now. So it adds another layer of crazy leverage to ETH. Anyway, I plan on selling my Ethereum this cycle. It's been a great ride on it. Most of my Ethereum I bought under $300. Feels pretty good. If it gets up to 10K, well, thanks for the ride, ETH. I don't plan on riding it down in the next cycle whenever all the chaos starts to happen. Again, I hope I'm wrong, but you can let me know what you think. Is this Ethereum's fatal flaw? Is the liquid staking and restaking, rehypothecation, and putting these assets into DeFi at high leverage going to lead to a massive liquidation event in the market? Or am I overthinking it?